In this video we are going to show you how to download the game Construction Simulator 2015 Deluxe Edition on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. Now the next step, we'll be quickly searching up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly search up the game on Steam, go to the Steam website and search for Construction Simulator 2015. Then select the game, scroll a little bit down and you will find out that the Deluxe Edition is €22.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page and we are going to search for the same game, Construction Simulator 2015. Select the game and search for it, then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now we need to select the first option. This is a PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Then select the game, and once you are there, you will find different editions. Now the edition we are looking for is the Deluxe Edition, so we will select the Deluxe Edition. After that you will find out that we can already download this game for just €3.85 compared to the Steam price of €22.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games. Now the next step is of course to purchase this game on this website. And once you have purchased it, you will receive an email confirmation including an activation key for Steam, so you can activate this game through Steam on your own PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!